Hey guys, good morning and welcome to the Camp Financial Stock Market Update. So yesterday was a big day. Dow hitting new highs, S&P 500 hitting new highs, and I believe that might be a new high on the NASDAQ as well. I didn't go back and check where we got to back in 2001, 2002, but definitely the highest I remember for the NASDAQ. So obviously, big day in technology with the NASDAQ up over 1%, S&P 500 up 0.4%, and the Dow up 0.2%. Almost all those being driven by Microsoft and Cisco, and as well as pretty strong day in the healthcare industry with the generic drug makers performing the best. Allergan, Mylan, Mallinckrodt, and then the biotechs performed pretty well, or pretty good as well, with Vertex up 4%, and most of them, well, everyone in the S&P 500 up yesterday. So pretty impressive day. Obviously, there were some good earnings came out, and people are still giving positive outlook on where they see their earnings going forward. So as long as there's positive guidance, positive outlook, the markets are probably going to go higher. As again, back to the statement I've made many times, that there's you can flee to safety of bonds, but with the yields that you're going to get in bonds, nobody's really interested in going that route right now. So alright, let's take a look at our worst performers in the S&P 500 yesterday. Kellogg's down 5%, Newmont Mining down 5%, M&T Bank down 4%, Range Resources down 3.25%, and Campbell Soup down 3%. Take a look at Kellogg real quick, see if they had earnings come out yesterday, because I'm intrigued why they dropped off. There we go. Stock drops after CNBC squashes Kraft Heinz deal rumor. So there's a rumor that they're going to be bought out, and that's now been squashed. So that's what pulled Kellogg's back down. That's why it dropped 5% yesterday. Newmont Mining, when the fear's not as much there of the dollars and yen, booned, all that stuff, gold doesn't perform as well. So fear pulled back, so in turn gold pulled back. When there's fear of uncertainty in the stock market and the financial markets, that's when gold performs well. Obviously it dropped off yesterday. Top performers yesterday: Cintas, Mallinckrodt, as I said before, Chesapeake Energy, Microsoft, and Mylan. So Chesapeake Energy is an interesting one. I've seen that they were just recently sued. Them and I think it was Jim Ward are being sued. So see where that goes. But I think that was already kind of priced into the stock. So not too much to fear there. Let me take a look here at Cintas, as it was up about 9.5%. Let's take a look what it did yesterday. Cintas beat Q4 earnings, offering a bullish outlook. Like I said, that's pretty much the key. If you can continue to stay bullish on where your profits are going, your earnings are going, then you're getting rewarded right now in the stock market for sure. I see one in here that I'm kicking myself because I didn't buy. I wanted to buy this back. So 7th yesterday was Navient. Navient is the student loan holder now. It took over from Sallie Mae. I almost bought this back in February at like $8.50 a share, $8.80 a share. It's trading at $14.50 a share. Well, I feel like an idiot now. So I could have made almost 100%, and it pays a big dividend. So, sometimes we miss stocks, and other ones we hit, other ones we pick, and they don't go the way we expect either. So, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. That's the way you got to look at it. That's how the stock market works. So, bottom performers in the Dow yesterday: Disney, Procter & Gamble, ExxonMobil, General Electric, and Chevron. General Electric was down 0.5%. I do have shares in that, as well as Chevron was down about 0.4%. Disney down 1.25%, and Procter & Gamble down 1%. We'll take a look at the Disney Corporation, see what happened here. Yeah, and that's what I figured. So they haven't announced earnings, but they've basically come out and said that they have fear of profit growth. So with the fear of profit growth, odds are pretty good that it's going to go against them in the market, even when the market is off, rip roaring higher. Top performers in the Dow: all tech company and one financial: Microsoft, Cisco, Intel, IBM, and Visa. It's interesting, Intel with the big jump yesterday, it got about 1.5%. Microsoft up 5%, and we've already talked about that. Intel is one that I've been considering buying. I'm in a tech company right now, Adtran, but it's kind of right around my stop point. So if it stops out on me, Intel's probably going to be the one that I look to pick up and add to my portfolio. So that's it for today, guys. We're going to do it real quick. If you have any questions, send me an email, chrism@campfinancial.net, or leave a message here on the YouTube channel or Twitter or Facebook. And we will see you next time. Take care.